Okay, so you need to make a backup copy of your QuickBooks company file. Let me show you how you can do that really quick. Inside your company QuickBooks file, first go up into the corner to File, then to Backup Company, and then choose Create Local Backup. Now from here, we're going to choose local backup, not online backup, because we're going to save this to a SD card or USB flash drive, and then maybe we'll upload it to our own cloud storage or share it with somebody that way. Choose options if it doesn't pop up, and then choose browse from where you want to save the file. In this case, we're going to save it to this SD card. So we say OK, and then we can accept all of the other defaults unless you want to change, the number of backup copies to store or the number of times that you will be reminded. Choose OK, and then choose Next, and then choose Save It Now. Click Next, and then it will say, OK, accept the file name as it has been generated, and you see it generates the date and the time, and then choose Save. And then we'll go through and verify the information, make sure the backup is successful, and then give you a confirmation on the screen, and then you're done. You can share that file with anyone to restore it. The one thing I will tell you is that if in fact you have saved this here and it has an administration username and password, then you will need to provide that to whoever you're sending this file to in order for them to restore the backup. And that's it. Okay, so I hope this helps you. Enjoy the video and take care.